Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a auto reply or instant reply on Instagram. So for that you're going to have to install this Meta Business Suite. Once you have installed it, open it. Now get logged into your Facebook account, and if you would like to, connect to your Instagram, you can go ahead and do that as well. If you only have your Instagram account, you can also go ahead and get logged into your Instagram account. You will see a page like this whatsoever. Then tap on this tools button on your bottom right. In here, select settings. And likewise, under page settings, you will see your Instagram. In my case, I'm not connecting the pages, so you are seeing Facebook. However, you will see Instagram right here. The options will be same. Now in here, select automations. Now at this section, under your automations, select instant reply. In my case, it is showing Messenger, but in your case, it will show you Instagram. Now all you have to do is tap on this pencil icon. This is what your custom message will look like. If you would like to, remove it, you can go ahead, add another one, whatever you would like. And once done, select save. Now select save again. And this is what your instant message will look like. Now, if you would like, you can also go ahead and edit some of these changes. So bottom line, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.